You don't love me. You out of my butt. You out of my chest. Oh, she was singing. It was so cute. Go explore, Christopher Columbus' girlfriend.
See the Chainsmokers there and here.
Oh, that's your song. That's your song. Go, 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 go. มันมาขนาดนั้น radio กับ kayak ตุ้ยเอ้ย
We'll throw in tickets to the show here, May 23rd at Colonial Life Arena. So review. See the Chainsmokers there in Charleston.
I might be ashy, but I'm classy. I'm a soda. Go farther by yourself, love. Learn some independence. Don't be afraid. Don't be a wussy like your mama. Go, be like your daddy. Go. Don't be scared, baby. Go.
Sunday night,
Go,
clear skies
love.
with low temperatures dropping to a cool 50 degrees. For Channel 25, ABC Columbia, I'm meteorologist Michelle Rotella.
This report is brought to you by KFC. It's not the gold on the outside that makes you successful. It's the gold you put in your insides. KFC, Georgia Gold Chicken.
What's up, money? What's up, G-Money?
Barbecue taste of style.
What's up, G-Booty?
KFC, it's finger licking gold. At participating KFCs for a limited time, prices may vary, tax extra.
Stinky booty mommy.
Features you want in your new home.
Man, it's blasting. You like turn it up loud. Turn it down a little bit.
Tax refund with savings up to
Yeah, we ain't getting no tax refund today.
Oh, you'll
Why you
love
stop? Why you stop?
all the way to the bank and back to your brand new Essex home. Get more information
Go.
now online.
You don't love daddy, do you? You having a good time? Are you more confident with it? Are you more confident? Are you not scared? Like, that's what I'm trying to teach you. Be independent. Be a strong girl, strong woman. Don't rely on nobody. Do things. Be a strong woman. Don't rely on nobody. Do everything yourself. Okay? Be strong. Strong, proud, strong person. Don't give a Okay? You hear me, love? Don't be scared of nothing in life. Be scared of fear, the fear itself. Be scared of fear. Don't scared of nothing. Be a strong girl. Wanna make a fire? Hey, you wanna make a fire? I can make a fire. Huh?
With permission to come aboard, Geico will proudly serve.
Hey, look at all that wood. I mean, that wood, it'll burn real easy. Shoot, I'll make a fire like hell. I'll start a false fire. No, I won't. Uncle got a fish again, man. She bringing them in, man. I'm jealous. She always catches something because she's fat. She can relate. She probably talked to the damn fish. I think she does because she's a whale. That's what it is. She's a fucking whale and she can talk, communicate. She talked to the little fish in town, come eat the worm. I knew it. She always catch the fish first. God damn it, I'm jealous. And then, on the other hand, she's a hippopotamus, so she eats the fish right after she catches them. Yes, that's what it is. Ta-da.